Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. I'm still here at the Sandy Pickle, and man, I just got to show off, just talk to you a little bit more about these courts here, the pickleball courts and the volleyball courts. So what other apartment complex in all of Texas literally has this? I'm not aware of any. They have so many activities going on here at the Village. You've got looks like four volleyball courts. You've got, looks like 6 pickleball courts. And what they really make easy for you to do in the Village is meet people. They've always got events, they've got tournaments, they got ways for you to meet others here at the Village. It's really truly a phenomenal place to easily meet people. They make it easy. They set it up for you. All you do is just sign up and show up. You're going to be, if you like pickleball, or even if you don't, show up. It's easy to learn. You can go in and learn it and just start playing. It's fun. They give you a great environment. There's drinks over here. There's just so much fun. It's in a really bright experience, bright light, trees everywhere. So it's a really fun place you're really going to enjoy. So really nice. Again, I want to emphasize how easy it is to meet people. They give sports as the way to do it here at the Village. Hey, if you have any questions or you want to set up a tour, a virtual tour anytime, send me a text. Just use the number below.